What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to an update and a new video on SLP. Or the smooth love potion, whatever you want to call it, everything is fine here. But wanted to cover it today because yesterday I actually threw a trade signal, or at least my trade idea out in the Discord server on SLP. And apart from that, I think SLP right now is one of the cryptos you really have to watch. And I have multiple reasons for that. I will get into that in this video, but that's mainly why I wanted to make a quick video on that. Apart from that, I also know that that a lot of you are interested in these videos on SLP, so that's just why I wanted to cover it. And maybe it's also nice for you to watch since I am fairly bullish on SLP. Alright, so let's get rid of this analysis right there. I'll just explain it to you. Just purely technically to really dive into that early a little bit, and then we'll talk a bit about the fundamentals and why I want to buy SLP. The thing is that you can see that technically we're still very much in an uptrend. Maybe not the strongest uptrend, because we have had some big drops. We fell down pretty hard, the 15th for example, but also the 23rd. But altogether we have remained bullish. We've stayed on top of this 100 EMA, did not even touch the 200 EMA, that gold line, so just technically we're very bullish. And then what started kind of at the end of January is some more bearish momentum for SLP. And you could, it's maybe not even necessarily bearish momentum, but just a lack of bullish momentum. But you could see that we had some more drops and that we were not as easily able to get back up. So we had this bearish momentum, and today what actually happened is you can see that we had this or what kind of formed is this triangle right here. And what we're now managing to do, partially due to some more bullish momentum in the markets, is we're trying to break out of that. So to get up to 0.32 cents, and I think we'll be able to do that. And what I expect basically on the short term is that we'll get up to that 0.32 cents level, take a break retest, maybe drop down to 0.30.5 cents again. So that's, I mean, I kind of prefer to call these levels like 3050 and 3000, but technically it's 0.3 cents. All right, so it's not even a cent, but still. But I expect that we'll get up to 0.32 cents, find some resistance there, but eventually I think we'll be able to get to this level right here between 0.33 and 0.34 cents. And I don't think we'll be able to break that, but I do think we can form some sort of a consolidation between 0.3 and 0.34 cents. And what I expect somewhere in the next week, maybe, yeah, I do think in the next week, I think we'll have enough bullish momentum to actually break above 0.34 cents, either because of bullish momentum for SLP specifically or bullish momentum in the markets. I think we'll be able to break above 0.34 cents and get up to this target right here between 0.37 and 0.38 cents. Purely technically, that's what I expect, and fundamentally I think it lines up fairly well. I think first of all, if we fundamentally look at the entire crypto market, I think we can expect some more bullish momentum coming out of Bitcoin, coming out of Ethereum, which I usually call the market, and I think an SLP can at least move with that a little bit. But apart from that, and I've talked about this quite a lot in my last SLP videos as well, and this is actually very important, SLP has been deflationary for quite a while now. And for investors, that's amazing. But if you only check out the last month, you can see that we burned, our net burn was around 200 million SLP. That's being burned and is not being reminted, all right? Which is, I mean, on top of a 42 billion circulating supply, maybe you consider that as not too much, but in a month, 200 million coming from this, it's actually something. And if you then zoom out through the last 6 months, it's pretty deflationary. So I think just overall, in terms of an investment, SLP is getting more attractive and more attractive, and that is why I'm trying to buy SLP. But I'll keep you updated on that, when I buy and how much I buy. But for now, this is my short-term take and analysis on SLP. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.